10 2013 Ford Fusion Transmission 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. 6F35 Transmission Rebuild Seals Kit. Is your 6F35 transmission feeling sluggish? Breathe new life into it with our Master Rebuild Seals Kit. Designed to meet or exceed OE 6F35 specifications, this comprehensive kit covers key components, including clutch plates, making it perfect for your 2012 to 2015 Explorer or 2010 to 2017 Fusion. You'll appreciate the high-temperature resistance and stable performance that ensures a long service life and reliable operation. Forget searching for individual parts. Our kit provides everything needed for a complete overhaul, simplifying your repair process. Restore your vehicle's original smooth performance and enjoy significant cost savings compared to a full replacement. Get back on the road with confidence and precision. Number 9. Ford Escape Fusion Transit Shift Knob Upgrade. Is your Ford's gear shift feeling a little tired or worn? It's time to rediscover a crisp, confident driving experience. Our premium shift knob upgrade is precisely engineered for a seamless fit, perfect for your Ford Escape and Fusion 2013 to 2016, Transit 2015 to 2019, and Transit Connect 2018 to 2023. Say goodbye to faded or loose knobs. This direct replacement effortlessly integrates, designed to match various OEM part numbers like CJ5Z7213, GA, ensuring a hassle-free swap. You'll instantly feel the difference. Smoother, more precise shifts that elevate your daily commute. Installation is straightforward, restoring that like-new factory feel and enhancing your control. It's more than just a part. It's an upgrade to your vehicle's interior and driving pleasure. Number 8. Escape Fusion Axle Seal and Case Bushing Kit. Tired of nagging leaks or drivetrain issues in your Ford Escape, Fusion, or other compatible models? Our Escape Fusion Axle Seal and Case Bushing Kit provides the precise fix. Specifically designed for 2009-2016 6F35 AWD transmissions, this kit directly targets a common failure point across models like the Edge, Escape, Fusion, and Lincoln MKC. You receive a premium axle seal and case bushing, crafted from high-quality steel and durable rubber for exceptional reliability and lasting performance. This kit isn't just a repair. It's an essential upgrade that prevents costly future damage. Installation is straightforward. It's a direct replacement with no modifications needed. Restore your vehicle's integrity and drive confidently, knowing your AWD system is sealed and secure. Number 7. Ford and Lincoln Automatic Transmission Filter. Ensure your Ford or Lincoln shifts smoothly with our premium automatic transmission filter. This vital component is essential for filtering out harmful debris and contaminants, preventing costly internal wear, and ensuring a consistently responsive drive. Engineered specifically for popular models like the Ford Edge, Explorer, and Lincoln MKX, including part numbers FT172, 242, 23670. A precise fit is guaranteed, matching OEM standards. Meticulously crafted from durable materials for superior protection, each filter safeguards your transmission's longevity and overall health. Plus, A Premium proudly backs every purchase with a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee. Drive with complete confidence, knowing your vehicle's heart is protected by a quality part designed for lasting performance and peace of mind. Number 6. Ford Fusion/MKZ Shifter Bushing Repair. Is your Ford Fusion or Lincoln MKZ experiencing frustratingly loose or imprecise gear shifts? Don't let a worn shifter bushing compromise your driving experience or safety. Our premium shifter bushing repair kit, a direct replacement for DG9Z 7S004A, is your precise solution. Crafted from high-quality, wear-resistant plastic, this durable bushing is engineered to restore the smooth, accurate shifting your 2013 to 2020 Fusion or MKZ deserves. Say goodbye to gear hunting woes and hello to confident, predictable shifts, enhancing both your driving pleasure and safety. Designed for a perfect direct fit, installation is remarkably simple, requiring no special tools or expertise. Get back to enjoying your drive with restored precision and peace of mind, knowing you've installed a long-lasting, quality repair. Number 5. 6F35 Transmission Filter Kit for Ford and Lincoln. Keep your Ford or Lincoln shifting flawlessly with our 6F35 Transmission Filter Kit. Engineered for peak performance in models like the Ford Edge, Explorer, Fusion, and Lincoln MKX, this kit is your transmission's best friend. Our premium filter media expertly captures contaminants and particles, guaranteeing buttery smooth shifts and significantly extending your transmission's lifespan. You'll also appreciate the included high-quality rubber gasket, engineered for exceptional heat resistance and durability, ensuring a leak-free seal and maintaining crucial fluid integrity under all conditions. Built from robust materials for lasting reliability, this kit is incredibly easy to install. Save time and money with a simple DIY replacement, ensuring your vehicle performs its best without complex tools. Reference BB5Z7A098B for a perfect fit. Number 4. Amazon's top overall choice. For peak transmission performance and lasting vehicle health, discerning drivers consistently choose the Motorcraft Transmission Fluid XT105Q3LV. This essential auto accessory isn't just fluid. It's precision engineering in a bottle, formulated to ensure buttery smooth shifts, superior wear protection, and extended transmission life. You'll immediately notice the difference in your ride's responsiveness. Designed with convenience in mind, its manageable 9.23-pound container, measuring a practical 12L x 8.5W x 4.5H inches, ensures effortless handling for precise, mess-free application. Elevate your maintenance routine with the fluid trusted by experts to keep your transmission running flawlessly. Invest in Motorcraft quality and drive with confidence. Number 3. Ford Lincoln 6 F35 Transmission Overhaul Kit. Is your Ford or Lincoln 6 F35 transmission feeling sluggish? Revitalize it with our comprehensive 6 F35 Transmission Overhaul Kit, engineered for optimal, long-lasting performance. This master rebuild kit is meticulously designed for models like the EcoSport, Edge, Fusion, and Transit Connect with various engine sizes. Always verify your OE number for a perfect fit. Crafted from superior quality plastic, rubber, and steel, every component offers lasting durability, exceptional wear, and corrosion resistance. This ensures high reliability and stable performance, significantly extending your transmission's lifespan. Manufactured to OEM specifications, the kit provides a direct, hassle-free replacement for old parts, simplifying installation without complicated tools. Restore your vehicle's smooth, dependable drive with confidence and enjoy renewed performance. Number 2. Ford Shifter Cable Bushing and Cap. Is your Ford's shifting feeling a bit off, perhaps loose or imprecise? Restore that confident, factory-smooth gear changing with our premium shifter cable bushing and cap engineered from high-quality, durable plastic. This replacement set is built for wear resistance and longevity, effectively preventing misalignment for a significantly better driving experience. It's a direct, perfect fit for your Ford Edge, 2015 to 2018, Escape, 2013 to 2019, Fusion, 2013 to 2016, C-Max, 2013 to 2018, or Transit Connect, 2013 to 2021, seamlessly replacing KV6Z, 7K340A, and DG9Z, 7S004A. Installation is remarkably hassle-free. Designed as a direct replacement, it requires absolutely no modifications. Get back to smooth, precise shifts and enjoy driving your Ford again, quickly and easily. Number 1. Ford 6F35 Transmission Rebuild Kit. Is your Ford 6F35 transmission feeling sluggish? Revitalize it with our comprehensive rebuild kit, meticulously engineered for peak performance. Covering a wide range of Ford Edge, Escape, Explorer, Fusion, and Taurus models, 2010 to 2019, this kit ensures an OEM-grade fit and seamless operation. Experience unmatched durability with seals crafted from 80% U.S/Taiwan fluorine rubber and 20% Japanese ACM, offering superior resistance to heat, oil, and ozone for lasting reliability. Our NAK oil seals provide exceptional sealing, while high-strength steel plates ensure a stable clutch system. Plus, advanced asbestos-free friction plates deliver excellent thermal stability and wear resistance, making your transmission shift like new. Invest in proven quality for a smooth, confident ride. So, that sums up my 2013 Ford Fusion transmission. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time,